All right, seventh graders, welcome back. Today is our third day of our introduction to design kind of review in our design notebook. And so today we are going to watch a video. It's probably about a 25-minute video on the design squad, and you are going to answer some questions about how those teams use the design process as they design and build and complete a challenge. And so you're going to get into your design notebook. We should be there already. The first thing that we want to do today is we're on day 3, so we want to set a goal for ourselves. Okay, each day again, we want to set a goal for what you want to accomplish. So it should have something to do with the video or answering the questions. Okay, we aspire to make sure or to write using complete sentences. Okay, so when you're setting your goal, our aspiration, our goal should be, ultimate goal should be to write complete sentences. All right, so go ahead and set your goal. You can go ahead and pause this video as you want to if you want to set your goal now, or you can come back to it. All right, moving on, we should have our vocabulary done. The video we're going to watch here in seventh grade is Need for Speed. One of the ways you can access that video is right here in this link in our design notebook. You click on it and it will take you right to the video. You can do that. Or you can go into Schoology if you prefer. In Schoology, you're going to scroll down to our Introduction to Design folder. When you click on the Intro to Design folder, you should scroll all the way down and there's the Need for Speed video, and you can click on that and watch the video that way. So either way works, it's the same video. When you are watching the video, you're going to answer these questions over here in the right-hand column of our design process chart. So we're going to fill in evidence for how the design squad use the design process. So for inquiring and analyzing, first question, what's the goal of this challenge? Second question, what research did the teams do prior to developing their ideas? A lot of different ways that you can research. I can research what the weather is like outside just by going outside and observing. Well, it's not raining today, the sun is out. So that those observations kind of tell me some things. That's research. Okay, research is any way that you might get answers to your questions. So when the design squad has questions, what do they do to answer those questions? Okay, notice that these two questions are in blue, and so according to our roadmap, blue means you must do those questions. All right, scroll down to developing ideas. Developing ideas. What methods did the teams use to develop their ideas? How did they do that when they had an idea? What did they do? Okay, what did they do with that idea and build on those ideas? Number 2, what were some of the safety measures that they used to prevent accidents or injuries? That's part of our planning as well. In class last year, if you were able to build the gumball machine, we had to go through the shop tools and learn safety procedures and how to work those. Those are all part of planning going into design as well. All right, scrolling down, creating the solution. Number 1, what materials and tools did the teams use to create or build their design? Number 2, give at least 2 examples of how the teams changed their plan from their initial idea. And number 3, what skills did they use or need to create their designs? Skills could be things like working with other people, being able to type on a computer, that's a skill. If they needed that skill, you could type that in there. Being able to do carpentry work, being able to work with wooden products, that's a skill. So there's a lot of different things. I'm not saying that the design squads use those skills, just giving you some examples of skills that you could type down if they needed those things to be able to build their design. Okay. Excuse me. Notice question number 2 is in orange. You don't have to answer question 2, but you should answer question number 2. All right. And then we get down to evaluating. Okay. Were the teams successful in this challenge? Why or why not? Why did the judge choose the winning team? And number 3, explain whether you agree with the judge's decision or not. Okay, first 2 questions are in blue. You must do those. Third question, you should do that answer. You should answer that one. And that's just an opinion. Do you agree? Yes or no, and why? Explain it. And then last thing is our daily summary. So once you're done, write 3 sentences about what you accomplished or learned. Again, that could be something from your Google Meet class today. It could be from the video. It could be you maybe had an aha moment when you were answering some of these questions about, oh, I really now understand what evaluating is, that sort of thing. So anything that you learned or what you accomplished today, what you were able to do, you should put that in to the day 3 summary. All right. If you've got questions, call, text, or email your teacher. and we will see you guys next time. Have a good day.